Welcome to lesson number 5, and today's lesson we are going to look at a loop, where we can use a loop. A loop we normally use where we know that we are going to repeat actions that there's no need for it to write the code over and over again. We can just put it in a loop and they can do and it can do it for us. So if we go back to the square that so I'm going to open square. Let me just go to backdrops again. Oh, okay. The square will have the backdrops back. There's the square. Okay. You guys remember the square? We've got 4 sides that we want our little sprite to move, but we are basically repeating the 4 same movements over and over again. So basically we can delete all of this. We can delete all of this and put all of this into a loop that says repeat 4 times, because basically it's going to repeat this action one side 4 times to make a square. So let's just press the space bar and there's our square. That's it. Let's do it again. Reset it. There's our square again. So we basically put those instructions inside of a loop and we don't have to repeat it the whole time. So let's just look at this shape again here. We did it in the previous lesson. We've got 200 steps forward, turn right, 200 steps forward, turn right. So this process we are basically repeating 2 times. And then it's going to be 200 steps forward, turn left, 200 steps forward, turn left, and then 1 forward. So basically we can use 2 loops, one after each other. And then, so let's do this one 2 times, okay, because of these 2 ones. So it's go forward 200 steps, go forward 200 steps, and both of them are going to be turning right. So now we can look at the next one, because now we're going to turn left. Here we turn right, and this one we're going to turn left. So basically it is going to be 200 steps forward, and turn left 90 degrees, and we are going to show it 1 1 and 200 steps forward. Here we go. So let's just test this quickly. We need it to go to minus 200 x minus 100 y, and it must look in the direction of 0. You guys remember from the previous lesson. So let's just click on the flag. There it pops to that position. So let's just say spacebar. Ooh, I didn't change that to 200. My fault. Let's just do that over again. So this first movement should be 200 steps forward, not 100, like the previous program. Green flag, press spacebar. Let's go. There's our steps that we repeat. 2 times, 2 times. Okay, so let's look at the last one quickly here. We're going to look at this last shape here. So basically, we're going to start here, x minus 50, y minus 50, and the direction must be minus 90. So let's just change that. Minus 50, minus 50, minus 50, and the direction should be minus 90. That's our starting position. So let's just change it here to minus 50, and then minus 50, and minus 90. So we've got the starting position there, and then we are going to look at the shape here. We're going to start here in the corner. So we're going to go 100 steps forward, turn right, 100 steps forward, turn right, and then 100 steps forward, turn left. And basically we're going to repeat that process 4 times. So we've got to repeat here. Okay, so it's 100 steps forward, turn right, 100 steps forward, turn right. So this we can put in a loop that says count 2 times. So here, let's take this one away. This one is going to be 100 steps forward, turn right. Okay, and now we have the final one here, 100 steps forward, turn left, and then we can 100 steps forward, turn left, 90 degrees, and another one. Okay, so basically we've got this one side covered now. 2 forward, 100 forward and right, 100 forward and right, and 100 forward and left. So let's just look there. 100 forward and right, and it's going to repeat it 2 times and then turn left. And then basically we can put all of this into one loop that says repeat it 4 times. So let's just see if we can do that. Repeat this whole process 4 times. So it's a loop inside of a loop. So let's just quickly see if we press the space bar. That's it. And there it finished it. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is see if you can do this on your own. You've got the shapes there. We've got that shape that you must do for me, and then you can do this shape as well. See if you guys can do it with loops to make your programming a bit more streamlined and easier. Okay, I'll see you guys in lesson 6.